Welcome back. In this video, we'll complete the full setup for cTrader Web. Follow my clicks exactly. I'll call out the only steps where most people get stuck. To find the signal, open the MT5 signal terminal, press Ctrl plus Shift plus D, go to MQL5 then Files, then select it via Browse. To set the window title, click Get Active Window, focus your target platform window, and wait for ClickMimic to capture the title. Now this is very important. Make sure you set everything in its final on-screen position, ideally without moving the order window, because ClickMimic saves the exact screen coordinates, not the button's appearance. Now I'm doing the mechanical setup. I click Set, then hover over the correct element on the target platform, no clicking. I keep the cursor there and wait for the Saved message. If you're not sure what to set, check the preview under Ref. Finally, confirm the indicator turns green. When setting close, don't actually close the position. You'll need to set it again for pending orders. If you're not sure everything is set in the correct spots, compare the screenshots under Ref with the ones under User. Very important. When setting the button positions for pending orders at the very beginning, make sure you tick the Expiry box, because once it's enabled, all the other buttons change their target positions. The button positions are the same for both limit orders and stop orders, so we only need to set them for one of these cases. The first day of month cell button corresponds to the first day of the month, and it will not always be the first cell in the calendar. The first date cell in calendar button corresponds to the first cell in the calendar grid. If you have any doubts, compare the ref screens for both cases. Note that for close in the Pending Orders tab, I'm not hovering over the button that deletes an existing pending order. I'm hovering over the button that closes an open position. In Datepicker mode, make sure you have fixed_Monday selected, not classic. Then check whether your cTrader calendar has 7 or 8 columns, as in my setup, and enter the correct value in ClickMimic. After that, click Datepicker Calibration. ClickMimic will automatically calculate the cell size. After setting all buttons, make sure all indicators are green. Then go to Save Load Backup and click Save Settings. You should always do this after any changes to the program settings. Get ClickMimic at clickmimic.com/buy.